Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon. Well, we saw temperatures today stay a little milder. We hit 91 so far in Corpus Christi. That's normal for this time of year. It's right on normal. The east breeze has been helping us out today. Our dew point came up just a little bit. That's why we see that heat index at 100 right now. But all in all, it felt a little better out there today. We also see these showers and thunderstorms continuing to be very spotty, but they're continuing to pop up. Notice in the last couple of hours, they're starting to pop up in our inland areas as well. So we still have a chance. You'll get a little wet here as we go into the evening hours, but the trend is going to be for those to be dying out as we go overnight. We'll only see a slight chance of a shower. Outside right now, we're sitting at 94 degrees from Alice, but you head to the coast, it's 83 at Port A, 87 Ingleside, and 91 at Robstown right now. And the wind coming in pretty light again. We haven't had a lot of wind recently. In fact, today's winds under 15 miles an hour, nearly calm in our far inland areas, but that's about to change over the next few days. Now, the next 2 days will still have light winds. In fact, through Thursday. Friday, they start to pick up a little bit. It'll be a bit breezy. And then this weekend, it's rather windy out there with sustained winds all afternoon from the late morning through afternoon at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. So if you're planning on doing some fishing or cycling or something, keep that in mind. You'll be dealing with that wind this upcoming weekend. For tonight, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies and temperatures dropping down into the lower to mid 70s, as it'll be a pretty comfortable night, if you will, compared to where we're going here at the end of the week. And then tomorrow's high temperatures climb a little bit. We hit 93 at Corpus Christi tomorrow, and Robstown 93 Mathis, and 90 degrees at the Naval Air Station. So feeling that heat, typical though for June. We're only going to be just a little bit above average tomorrow with a slight chance we'll see a shower or a thunderstorm as well. Now, as you look at the hourly temperatures tomorrow, these are the heat index values, and you can see how they climb to about 101 by 4 o'clock tomorrow. Temperature wise, we're hitting into those low 90s. So hitting 90 to about 92 from 2 until about 5 in the afternoon tomorrow. So if you're heading to the beach, it's not going to be much of a wave tomorrow, 1 to 2 feet. We have a low rip current risk and the winds up to only 12 miles an hour. There is that chance though, especially up until about early to mid-afternoon, that you'll see a shower or a thunderstorm at the beaches. Well, our temperatures are still under control, nothing too hot. We still have high pressure sitting to our north, giving us that easterly breeze right now. But as that shifts away from us, we'll see those winds coming around to the south by the end of the week. And in the meantime, in the upper air, we've got little waves going through that continue to agitate the atmosphere. And as a result, we're getting these little showers and thunderstorms. They're not very organized, but they do have the potential of producing heavy, brief downpours. Through tonight, though, they do start to thin out. Tomorrow, as we head into Wednesday, we still have that potential of a few out there, but a lot of areas are going to stay dry tomorrow. Nevertheless, you can see through about 5, 6 in the evening, we still have some spot thunderstorms around tomorrow. If you're planning the weekend, heading out to do maybe a round of golf with Dad on Sunday for Father's Day, it's going to be hot this weekend. Sunday, the hotter day of the weekend as we hit 97. Here's your 7-day forecast then. The next few days, temperatures slowly rise and nights start to climb. And by the time the weekend rolls around, we're looking at nights very stuffy, only near 80 degrees, and days in the mid to upper 90s. The heat indices up to 112. So speaking of that heat index, Cole gave us a great explanation yesterday on what the heat index is and how it affects our bodies. Today, Cole is talking about heat illnesses and what you need to look out for if you're out in the heat. Cole?